Snowboarding is our obsession. Summers to us are desert wastelands, with no way to exercise our snow-based passion. So we set out to change the summer experience, creating a new way to ride, to carve, and slide, with the feeling of snowboarding anywhere in the world. My name's Aaron Aders, and I'm an entrepreneur with a background in business and digital marketing.
My name is Daniel Seegren, and I'm a mechanical engineer with a degree from Columbia University in New York.
As snowboarders, we know the difference between the feeling that you get snowboarding and everything else. So we developed and tested the board ourselves to ensure that the ride really felt like snowboarding. We installed the bulkier components like batteries and wireless electronics on the top of the deck so that the board rides lower to the ground, generating greater stability and performance. We developed custom electronics that allow for the transfer of power through a motorized caster wheel that can spin forever while keeping you riding up to 20 miles per hour. The Leif uses the best automotive-grade batteries that will take you 16,000 miles before needing to be replaced. Growing up snowboarding, everybody knows that sad ride home on the last day of the season. And as a kid, I always used to dream about what it would be like to snowboard around my hometown, to school, to work. With the technology that we've developed over the last 9 months, you can bring the mountain home with you and experience snowboarding wherever you live. Riding the Leif is an incredible feeling for anyone who knows what it's like to snowboard down a mountain. The Leif will allow you to control your speed up to 20 miles an hour with the power to blast through slides, climb hills, and carve big turns. Control your braking just as you would with a snowboard, with speed checks and full stops using the same intuitive process found in a snowboard. From city streets, to bike lanes, to small towns. No snow or hills needed. With the Leif, you can turn pavement into powder. Your support will help us to make the manufacturing investments necessary to bring this amazing product to life. So support the Leif project today, and with your help, let's bring year-round snowboarding to a reality. Hey everyone, thank you so much for your interest in Leif. We've had a ton of emails and questions about how does this technology work? How does it drive you forwards, backwards, sideways? And if you spin down the street 360 degrees, won't the motor wires get twisted? And so here's a demonstration of how our technology works, specifically the tandem rotating powered caster wheel, which is the key to this snowboard experience. And so When you're riding down the mountain, you don't have to think about how many times you turn right or left. You just go. And we wanted to have that same genuine snowboarding experience on the concrete. And so that's how this motor works. There's no hardwire connection between the two. It's through this technology that allows it to power you and spin infinitely in either direction. So if you're going forward, we'll say this way is forward, it's going to power you forward. And so say you want to flip 180 degrees to your switch side, the caster wheel is going to move with you, and now it's going to power you the other direction. And so say you want to leaf down the street just as you would down the mountain sideways, then you're going to flip to your back side or perhaps your front side and leaf sideways down the street, and it's going to drive you in that direction. And so say you wanted to spin down the street just as you would down the mountain in one direction, infinite turns. The leaf can do that. And so at this point, I'm going to power the motor, turn it in one direction, and keep going until you either get bored of watching or I get bored of turning it. So here we go. Okay, I think that's enough. So as you can see, you're going to have smooth transitions, edge to edge, end to end, whether you want to flip switch and practice your fakie riding, or you want to just spin down the street till you black out. If that's what you're into, you can do that with the leaf. It's all possible. And so if you have any more questions or want to know more about this technology, shoot me an email. I'm happy to make another video and explain everything. So we'll talk soon. Take care.
It's pretty dynamic, man. It's the controls, once you get used to the controls, you can actually control the speed, the carbon. You pick it up really quickly. It totally mimics snowboarding.
New York, New York, New York, New York, New York.